Hello, I'm Sridhar Dikari, and as a university assignment, I was assigned to create a elevator control system as a part of our C#.NET course. So let me start the project. So this is the loading form which will load the components of the elevator system. So after loading the components of the elevator system, we can see the two elevators for the ground floor and the first floor, and there is two display for the each floor, and there are two request push button for the each floor, from where we can request the elevator car. And inside the elevator system or the elevator box, there is a control panel which consists of a display and two buttons for the ground floor and the fourth floor, and two other buttons to open and close the door. So if I clicked on the open button, then orange color orange color is lit up, and after this certain time the door will be automatically closed. So let me open the door again, and the close button will close the door. And if I open and close the door, then there won't be any conflict in between these two methods. So it will close the door in between the halfway of opening the door. And I can request the lift box from the first floor. So let me open the doors first, and if I requested the lift box, then it will first close the door and move to the first floor, and it will indicate the lift is moving up with an up arrow. And after the lift reaches to the first floor, the lift indicator will show the first floor on the display panel in both the floors and inside the control panel. And if I open the door, now it will open the door at the first floor instead of opening the door at the ground floor, as it has already reached to the first floor, so it will open the first floor doors. And if I click on the close door, then it will close the door. If I click the open and close door, then it will close the door in the halfway of opening the door. And if I open the door and click on the ground floor, then it will close the door and move on to the ground floor. And on the display panel, as you can see, it shows the down arrow, which indicates that it is moving down. Sorry. And after it reaches to the ground floor, it indicates that on the display panel it indicates ground floor, and it will open the door after reaching to the ground floor and closes after a certain time. The passenger will get out, and the door will automatically closed and will be prepared to get the next request. And on the right side we can see the display log, where it records the date, time, and the action performed. And we can see all the action performed here, and it is automatically saved in the database, so we don't need to save it manually. And it's so on the action column, it shows the action performed, like the door opened at ground floor. Sorry, I'm not feeling well. And the door closed at the ground floor, door opened at the ground floor, and door opened at the first floor, etc. So this was all, and this clear log button will clear the logs, and the exit button will exit the software. So that was all. Hope you like the software. So bye. Hope you see you next time.